from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Muladhara, root chakra, and heart chakra companion essences for the holidays. So our Muladhara is one that you can work with by spraying the forehead, temples, base of skull, heart center, and then of course your root area and along the spine. So even though it's root chakra, it's not limited to just the root. You can spray throughout your energy, but it is designed to localize or target the area around your root. So the root is where a lot of childhood trauma can be stored, as well as anything like any primal issues or survival issues. So things around lack, right? Money issues, survival fears, and other memory can get locked in this region, identity issues. So it's really good to work with for strengthening this area and helping to, increase your overall foundation and feelings of protection. And then of course our heart chakra essence also can be used over the same areas, but is designed to help open the heart, to help you release resentment, to help you experience more energy of unconditional love. So to move you into forgiveness and encourage emotional well-being and upliftment. And so when you work with the two of them together, it can be really good, especially over the holidays. And for that reason, it's one of our holiday essences for grounding and just helping you to feel more settled and connected, while at the same time opening your heart to love and to giving and receiving. And that's really what the holidays are supposed to be all about. And so thank you very much. That is our Muladhara and Anahata heart and root chakra essences.